Hi everyone, and welcome back to Doug and Pod's, the place with own fine craft tales. If you haven't met him before, you won't find him baking a cake, you won't find him dancing, and you certainly won't find him in the jungle, because the only place he's a celebrity is here in the Doug and Partridge.
It's better, doesn't it, eh? This is more brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello, Rob.
Oh, you've been making that long all day, ain't you?
I had a lot else to do, really, so yeah.
When you want any fencing, just contact him. Anyway, welcome to the D&P.
Where we make, brew, and review own brew kits for your pleasure. Our pleasure quite a lot of time.
How you doing, mate? You all right?
Yeah.
It's heading towards that there Christmassy thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
I take it everybody should have had the beer made by now, shouldn't
You
they?
should really have your own Christmas beer on the go. It's a good idea if you want a spicy winter ale or an orange ale or something like that.
Whatever you particularly like for Christmas. Yeah.
Get it on the go.
So we're going to try some beer today that my bro's made.
Yep.
Let me start, bro.
I think we want to start with a new one from Festival. They brought out a new kit, and it's a bit close to our hearts, really, because this is called Woodland Citra.
I see what they've done there, no, can't you? Woodland Citra, I'm guessing Oakham Citra.
Yep.
So this is obviously a celebration of British fine ales, Woodland Citra, Session IPA, golden with a white head.
It's stunning, that's it.
Golden with a white head. Juicy tropical notes of Citra hops, offering hints of sun-ripened mango and pineapple.
Just what we like.
No disrespect to the people on here, but they've done it in about 3-point type. It's tiny. Bursting with hops, blah, blah, blah. Comes in a box like that.
Big bag of malt extract there to dissolve, and then add some cold water, yeast, and then add your dry hops towards the fermentation.
Any sort of enhancer with it as well, or not?
I think everything's included in that box.
Oh, wow, cool. Any idea on a rough estimate?
About 25 quid.
About 25 quid. Lovely jubbly. Right.
So for that, you get 23 litres of Citra ale. Let's just see how good it is. Obviously, we've had a bit of a success just lately with the cold IP from Mangrove Jackson. The I am your guava from Hunters.
Guava.
So let's see if we can, the festival can live up to the rivalry.
It's got a goodness, but it's slightly pungent.
Yeah, slightly pungent. The citron smells there, but there's something in the background,
like a bit weird, that.
Like cat wee.
I won't go that far, but you know, something definitely a bit pungent in there.
Yeah,
not appetising either.
No,
you know, when you
probably the pineapple.
When you get Citra, you want it to smell predominantly of Citra, don't you?
Yeah.
Where's that? It's got something else going on.
It's slightly hazy, clearing nicely.
That's not bad.
Not bad. I can see through it.
Yeah. Right. Cheers. I'm sick. What the hell is that?
It's not Citra.
Ugh.
How can you mess it up?
Oh, we haven't had one for a while, have we?
Flipping heck, man!
I don't think I can even bear to go for another taste of that.
It's so sharp. It's nearly beyond sour.
Yes, it is very sour, isn't it? Super sour. You can't see probably it's made me want to cry.
It has made my eyes water. I can't understand that I've done anything wrong. I've got some new fermenters. Everything's sterilised.
Well, let's face it. The last few beers have been top notch.
Yeah.
So I don't think we can now blame the kit because I think that problem's sorted.
So what's
the last 3 beers we did was stunning.
I don't know what's going on there.
That's awful.
And you can't really mess it up. Really, it's just malt extra and then stick some Citra hops in it. I mean, come on.
I'm going to try another day.
Flipping out. I don't know if I can, bro.
Little tip. No, don't do it. That's I'm going to go as far as a 0.
Yeah.
I don't know if we've had any 0s before, but that is awful.
I don't know what. It is beer, and it's not wrong beer. It's just awful.
Oh, it's wrong.
And I don't mean in the way.
Oh, no, I don't think you've brewed anything wrong.
It doesn't smell off either, does it?
No, it doesn't smell off. It's just not nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's a 0 for me as well then. That's a bad start to the evening.
That's upsetting now. Oh dear. All right. Which one are you going to next, bro?
I don't really care.
Do you want to go dark or do you want... Yes, because should we go dark?
Let's go to the dark side.
Let's go completely...
I can't believe they messed that up. If anybody else has had any success with that kit, please let me know. Or anybody else has any, failure, just let me know as well. Because I'd really like to know if I've gone wrong or other people have found the same experience. I'm really interested.
Now, this is out of the book again. Excuse me, I'm trying to keep the pages so I know where I am. So this is out of the MASH book again.
Yeah, this is from Dark Farm.
This is from Dark Farm. So first of all, going for the porterloo English porter.
Yes.
Porterloo English porter.
Now you can buy the kit from them, or you can buy the book from them and make this recipe yourself. Everything's there. If you've got loads of grain and hops.
Yeah, it's got a big list of stuff that goes in it. There's always quite a bit going in there, isn't there? Hops, Mutika and Arakau, 4.3%. Inspired by ABBA's 50th anniversary win at Eurovision.
Was it really?
Porterloo.
Oh, that's bad, man. That's nearly as bad as that fight. Really?
See, he hasn't obviously read this.
Oh, I haven't. No.
This very cheeky porter will definitely create a buzz at any festival. Sweet and well balanced, it's fermented out with WHC Labs high voltage. The exciting new yeast that amplifies the flavours and the malts and hops. So, shall we go for some porterloo?
Bad beer, bad singing, bad jokes. All in one night. I don't think I could actually...
Whoa. Bad singing? I don't know what you were listening to, mate, but that pitch perfect. Anyway. Right.
Anyway, expect people to take us seriously with that kind of nonsense.
Right, let's go for some porterloo.
Anyway, let's get back to beer rather than your singing.
It is a dark porter beer.
You hold it up to light, got a nice little red
It's got a bit of a red tinge to it, hasn't it?
tinge to it in the back in there.
Oh, I think we're on to a winner.
Oh, that's better.
That's better. Well, for me, first of all, chocolate.
Yeah.
Getting quite a nice chocolate nose through that.
I was getting coffee actually as well.
Oh, chocolatey coffee. Yeah.
Chocolatey coffee.
Chocolatey coffee. Roasty.
Yeah.
All the kind of things you want and expect from a porter.
Yeah. Cheers. Shall we go in?
Cheers. Cheers. Oh.
That's better.
Oh. That's very nice.
That's fantastic. That is.
It's made all the better from having just drank that stuff.
I think that's made. Yeah, I think that is better because that was so bad.
But that is, well, you first, bro.
It's lovely. Absolutely lovely. I'm getting loads of chocolate, loads of roastiness, and then it's topped off with those dry bitterness from those hops that's in there.
But not too bitter.
No,
Because sometimes find a porter gets a bit too on the back end. Whereas that seems to have a nice, it is a bit better, but it's smooth, isn't it?
Smooth, and there's a good dryness. It's almost like a reverse of a golden ale because, a golden ale, you need your tongue to be dry and your palate to be dry, and this does the same thing.
Yeah.
So you're wanting more.
Yes, and it's to me, this is a nice cosy beer. This is a beer you have next to the fire or watching the rugby. It's great. It's good beer. That's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Don't mention rugby.
Don't mention rugby. It's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, it's 10 out of 10 for me as well.
Lovely beer.
Well done, Dark Farm.
Yeah. Lovely. Jubilee.
Well, that's probably one of my favourites from Dark Farm, mate.
That's really good, that.
Yeah.
That's really, really good. Goes to prove, after taste the first one, it's probably not your gear. That's the problem there. Festival. Anyway.
Don't know what they've done there. If the festival listening, you want to send me another kit to try it again, see if it's as bad, feel free to do so.
See if we've done anything wrong, but there we go. So again, we're going back to the mash book again.
Yes.
This is beer number 3. This is Napier colada.
Yeah.
Not pina colada.
Napier colada.
Napier colada. Okie dokie. Who doesn't like a pina colada?
Probably me.
I'm not keen.
Not keen on
This Napier takes on the classic beach cocktail. Brings light and sweet multi flavours to the party.
Oh.
Gained from the grain bill.
Yeah.
To elevate this status, it uses a Sabro and Brew 1 hops. Sabro provides the coconut, Brew 1 the pineapple. Oh dear. This beer is definitely one to try. Umbrella's optional.
We won't do the umbrellas.
No.
We might do some fireworks, but they ain't going on outside. But hey,
Let's do apologies.
it's November the 5th.
It's going off all over the place over here. There's a lot of grain in that. There's a lot of hops in that.
Does it tell you the strength on the front there anywhere, bro?
Oh, it does. It's thank you for that, bro. It's 5.5%. Okay. Lovely jubbly.
Not too bad, reasonable for a Napier. Some of stupid strength, aren't they? But this is 5.5. So
it's quite murky, but Napiers can be.
yeah, well, Napiers you don't put no finings in or nothing like that. It's just, that's true Napier.
Oh, yes,
that's my excuse.
That's true Napier, apparently. Right then. Oh, I'll get a lot of no's, are you?
Not massive punch, no. It is cold, but
Yeah, I mean, give you a swirl, you get a bit, but
I'm getting fruit and stone fruity and juiciness.
yeah, a bit.
Yeah.
But I'm getting a slightly weird smell. Not sure what that is.
I am slightly weird smell.
I don't know how to describe it. I'm getting your stone fruit, like I just said. But there's something else going on in there.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Pineapple?
Oh, it might be.
Well, it is a pina colada, isn't it? Don't have pineapple in it.
It's not, is it? I might want it a beer. If I want a pina colada, Anyway, right.
Sorry.
right. Here goes. Cheers.
That's not bad.
That's not bad, actually, is it?
I was expecting worse if I'm fair.
I mean, it's I can see what it's trying to do. It's trying to
be a pina colada.
It's trying to emulate a pina colada. It's got that cocktaily, juicy, fruity sort of taste to it, hasn't it?
It has indeed, yeah. Probably the wrong time of year to be drinking this. You really probably need to be drinking this in the summer, like you would do a cocktail.
Yes.
Outside there in the beer garden.
With an umbrella.
With an umbrella.
Sound a new one, not sticky one of me beer. It's also got that kind of real tangy back end, hasn't it? Sort of thing.
Yeah. Tangy, dry back end.
Yeah. Ain't wrong with that, lad.
Juicy stone fruity with a tinny dry back end.
Who's got a tin dry back end? Anyway, what are you giving that, Aaron?
I don't think it's good as the porter.
I don't either.
But it's good.
It is good.
I'm probably on a 9.3.
I'll go exactly the same on a 9.3 as well.
There you go.
Because it's very good. It's just probably the wrong time of year. Probably not quite 100% to my taste.
No.
But it's not bad.
Not bad. I don't know. I think probably...
I think the more you drink it, the more you grow to it as well.
Yeah.
And the slurp, and it's a little bit more.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's a bit more.
Yeah. Got rid of the porter out of your mouth. And
well, there you go then. It's a 10, it's a 9.3, and a 0. There you go. Shall I tell them lovely people out there what's coming next?
Yes. Go on then.
So you'll have to excuse me. There's quite a lot here. The Malt Miller Tap Takeover.
It is indeed, sir.
It's Malt Miller Tap Takeover. So this is was that Camera at the word?
Yeah, Camera have brought out a new book. They've teamed up with Malt Miller and they've brought out a new book called The Modern Homebrewer. So you can buy the book.
Yeah.
You can brew the recipes in the book. The recipes are in the book.
Okie dokie.
So again, a bit like mashed. If you are a recipe brewer and you've got all your grains at home, you buy your grain bulk, you can do it that way. Or you can get over to Malt Miller like I did, be completely lazy and buy the kits.
Ah, right. So it's all in the book. You can do it yourself, or you can actually just go onto Malt Miller because it's in conjunction with them and just order the stuff.
I will say some of the kits are a little bit dear.
Okay.
I've picked probably some of the cheapest recipes that are in the book.
And are these all grain?
All grain.
All grain beers these next time. Yeah. So we've got Elusive and Werewolf Beer, Riddle of the Sphinx.
Yeah, that's I didn't know. I should look a little bit closer, but that's a completely gluten-free beer.
Ain't no wrong with a gluten-free beer, lad.
It's got no barley in it whatsoever. We'll talk about that next time.
Okay. Right. Well, you'll have to forgive me on this one as well. Anspach and Hobday, the porter. If I've pronounced that wrong, I do apologise. And finally, Iron Pier, Cast Irons Down. Lovely jubbly. We met those guys from Iron Pier when we went to Pier and Beer Festival, didn't we?
Yeah.
Lovely bunch of fellas. Yeah.
Also, at Spatch and Hobday do the London Black.
Oh, do they?
Yes.
We have one of our friends that goes on about London Black like there's no tomorrow.
Raves about London
Raves
Black.
it about
Every time it takes us somewhere to try London Black.
And it's not on. Anyway, there you go.
There you go.
I think that's about it for this video, isn't it, bro?
That's about it, bro. Let me find my porter.
I've already got my porter in my hand. I'll tell you.
And if you are watching on that their socials, whether it be Facebook, TikTok, or Insta, get over to YouTube. Subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss next time's episode.
Thank you.
And then until then, it's a goodbye from him.
It's a goodbye from him.
Huzzah! To the kick!
To the key.